Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see Notion page views. So if you have any page within Notion, the first thing you need to do is to actually find that page, right? So let's say I want to see the page views for this daily planner here. I can go ahead and I can click on that page on the left hand side first. Then on the upper right, click the three dots that you can see to access the menus and scroll down to where you'll find updates and analytics. Once you click on that, you will be taken into the section for updates. You might see updates, you might see analytics first, whichever, but go ahead and click on the analytics section, and here you will be able to see the page views. And this is showing one view, for example, and you can even change that to the last 7 days, all time, everything, right? So you can go ahead and you can track the page views, and it actually shows you the editor and the viewers as well. So that's how you can easily go ahead and see your Notion page views. Very easy and very simple.